Before spending money on bookkeeping software for your business, you might want to check out some free options. There aren't a whole lot of free options out there, and the ones that are available are mostly suited to quite small businesses, but they're worth checking out anyway. So let's have a quick look at a few free bookkeeping software options for small businesses. Let's start with the option of using a spreadsheet. You may be able to get away with this option if you just need to track your income and expenses in a fairly basic way. If you'd like to try this option, grab a copy of our free Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets templates by following the links in the description below. Just click the link to the spreadsheet you want, download your own copy for free, and watch the YouTube video on how to use the template. This may be all you need for now and could save you from having to spend money on software like Xero or QuickBooks while you're just starting out in business. If you need something more sophisticated or you don't want to use a spreadsheet, probably the best two free bookkeeping software options available at the moment are Wave and Zoho. Let's head over to waveapps.com and take a look at all the features they currently offer on their free plan. Invoicing is part of the free plan, and it offers the ability to add branding to your invoices so they look professional, send automated reminders for unpaid invoices, and apply to enable various payment methods directly from your invoices. Wave also offers various accounting features for free, such as income and expense tracking, bank and credit card connections, some handy reports, and the ability for your accountant or assistant to log into your account. If you want any other features, such as payments, which is Wave's own payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, payroll, which you'll need if you have employees to pay, and advisors, which is basically a bookkeeping support plan, then you'll have to sign up to a paid plan. Now let's head over to zoho.com/books and go to their pricing page to see what their free plan offers. As you can see, there's quite a bit on the list here, but some of the highlights are: send up to 1,000 invoices per year, including recurring invoices, automated reminders for unpaid invoices, expense and mileage tracking, bank and credit card statement importing, bank rules for easy reconciling, the ability to set up different taxes, the ability to hook up payment gateways such as Stripe and PayPal, various reports, and more. If you think you'll need to use some other features in future, there's a whole lot of paid plans to choose from, so check them out to see which ones are suitable for your business. So that's it for our look at a few free accounting and bookkeeping software options. Don't forget to check out the link to our free spreadsheets if you want to start out that way. Otherwise, be sure to check out Wave and Zoho to see if they suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.